We're here out at the fitness center. We wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. Obviously you can see we're painting the outside of the building. It's a little bit of a lighter color. And now that we're coming in, we have a lot more going on in here, especially coming up in the next few months. Anything you want to talk about specifically?
We recommence construction next week.
Yeah.
Coming out of our summer break. Most of the structural work is completed, so now we're starting to work on the interior.
Yeah, it definitely feels a lot cooler in here with those new ACs we just got installed. We got a new green space coming in. We're really excited about the next steps coming up. Hi, how's it going? So out in the gym area, this is really exciting. We've opened all this up. We're moving the cardio against the wall. You'll see a lot of different equipment and different things that we're installing into the space, a lot more open and clean looking. I'm really excited to get Latson in here working out a little more.
Good luck with that.
This is the ladies' locker room. I know it doesn't look like much right now, but this is going to be a completely different space that we're really excited about.
Yeah, the men's and women's locker room will be our showpiece here. A totally different concept from what we have, and it will accommodate both the tennis players and the fitness workout people, and it'll be a space in which they can utilize to the best of their advantage.